Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Crystal. Today we're just doing a quick wash and go and a wash day routine. This was supposed to be a protective style, but I switched it at the end. So let's just go ahead, hop right into it, relax, and let's go through this wash day. I'm back home from work and it has been a long, rough day. As you can see, I am already in the bed, but I wanted to come and show y'all my hair after I diffused it and stretched it. This was the look for the day, and yeah, this was it. I had to do my hair super quick, but it came out very fluffy after I stretched it. It's definitely growing out. This was done with the Ouidad humidity control gel, so I'll make sure to link that below. But y'all, I'm so tired. I'm so tired that I'm not cooking dinner tonight, so I am going to get the kids Subway and let that be it. I took me a good hot shower and I'm going to give myself a facial tonight and just be done with everything because your girl is worn out. But I wanted to come and give you all some final results so that you could see exactly what this wash and go came out looking like. Make sure that you hit the like button, subscribe to my channel. Let's talk about it in the comments because I do have some time and energy to talk to y'all today. So let's chat about this wash and go, what you all think, and I will see y'all later. Bye.